Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up checkout on Squarespace. First, navigate to your Commerce panel within your Squarespace account. From there, you will find the essential tools to manage your store's transactions. This initial step is crucial for establishing a smooth and efficient purchasing experience for your customers. We will cover connecting payment methods, setting up taxes, and customizing the checkout flow to ensure everything runs perfectly. Next, let's connect your payment processors. Squarespace integrates seamlessly with popular options like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to accept major credit cards and digital payments. You will also set your store's currency, ensuring all prices are displayed correctly for your customers. Consider enabling express checkout options, which can significantly reduce cart abandonment by offering a quicker purchase path. Now, we will configure your tax and shipping settings. You can set up automatic tax calculations based on location or manually define rates for specific regions. For shipping, create distinct zones and assign appropriate rates, whether flat rate, weight-based, or carrier calculated. Don't forget to offer local pickup if it suits your business model, providing an additional convenient option for your customers. Finally, let's customize the checkout experience. You can adjust the design of your checkout page to match your brand, ensuring a consistent look and feel. Add custom form fields if you need to collect specific information from your customers during their purchase. Personalize your order confirmation emails and messages to provide clear communication and build customer loyalty after every successful transaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.